Frequently asked plumbing questions. Types of domestic hot water tanks. Hot water tanks produce and store hot water for washing and bathing. Hot water tanks that are internally fired or externally fired may look similar, but they use different methods to heat the water in the tank. The internally heated hot water tank has an electrical resistance heater or natural gas or oil burner, creating hot water directly in the tank from this internal heat source. This allows the hot water tank to operate independently of the building's space heating system. These fuel-fired tanks usually have their heat source visible at the bottom of the tank and a vent pipe at the top to carry away exhaust gases. Externally fired or unfired domestic hot water tanks use hot water that has been heated externally in the main building heat boiler. And this heat is delivered to the hot water tank through a closed-loop heat exchanger coil in the hot water tank that then heats the domestic hot water. In this externally heated tank, the hot water from the boiler simply heats the fresh water in the hot water tank and then loops back to the boiler. The fresh hot water is stored in the tank and then delivered to the domestic hot water needs of the building. This is a very efficient method of creating hot water. Since the boiler is already creating heat for the building, it can use that heat to heat the domestic hot water without using extra fuel. If it was an internally fired tank, it would use additional fuel to heat up the domestic hot water. In short, internally fired tanks create their own heat. Externally fired tanks get heat from a nearby boiler. SHM Controls. Smart heat management.